This summer, brighten up your outdoor space with these DIY lanterns. They're made of upcycled glass jars stained with two surprising ingredients, Mod Podge and food coloring. Simply mix them together, add a splash of water, and coat the inside of the jar. Once dry, add an LED votive candle and you'll have a charming DIY outdoor lantern. Things you'll need: Mod Podge, food coloring, wooden craft sticks or another mixing tool, water, clean glass jars, mixing container such as a clean plastic condiment cup, paintbrush, wax paper, craft mat or junk mail, decorative pebbles, LED votive candles. Make sure your glass jars are clean and dry. You can also use mason jars. Step 1. In a small container, add 3 tablespoons of Mod Podge. Add 6 to 10 drops of food coloring, depending on its saturation. Mix until completely blended. Step 2. Add 1/2 teaspoon of water. Stir until combined. Step 3. Pour the mixture into the jar. Step 4. Working quickly, rotate the jar to spread the Mod Podge along the inside. Continue spinning and rotating the jar until the inside is completely coated. Keep your mixing container nearby. As the Mod Podge reaches the opening of the jar, you'll want to pour the excess into the container. You can also use a paintbrush to help spread the Mod Podge. Step 5. Place the jar upside down on top of several sheets of wax paper. To protect your work surface, you can also add a craft mat or junk mail underneath the wax paper. Let it dry for 5 hours in this position and then turn the jar right side up. Let it sit for 24 hours or until it's completely dry and translucent. Step 6. Pour decorative pebbles into the glass jar. Step 7. Add an LED votive candle. You can use LED tea lights. Avoid using real candles. For a more eco-friendly option, consider using candles with solar lights. Please like and subscribe to this channel and get new DIY video tips regularly.